Hi there, this is Jeremy Nelson-Smith, the Internet Specialist, and this is another Google Analytics video tutorial. And this time we're going to have a look at how to add someone else as a user or an administrator on your Google Analytics profile. Now, you might want to do this because you might want to give another member of your company or one of your outside advisors the ability to go in under their own email address and Google login to look at your analytics data without having to use your own login details. Now I'm going to show you how to add a user and or an administrator, and also how to remove that user and or administrator. Here we are in the standard reporting screen. You can see here's the standard reporting tab highlighted here. I'm now going to move across to the admin tab, top right of the screen. Click on the admin tab, and that takes me to a list of the profiles. Here's the profiles, and I've only got one under this URL. Here's my URL here, and there's my property ID, and there's my URL. Click on the profile. There's another series of options, and you obviously want, surprise, surprise, users. You click on users, and there you can see the list of users and or administrators that there are on this profile. Now, as you can see, there's only one. That's myself, obviously, as an administrator, which gives me full access rights and the ability to do all sorts of things in analytics, like change things and add things and save reports and email reports and all that kind of thing. A user doesn't have the ability to do that. A user is simply able to go in and look at the data without changing things. So it's ideal for somebody who you want to allow access for, but not giving them the ability or permissions to actually change anything. So how do we add a new one? Okay, new user. Here we are. Here's the new user button. You click on that and up comes a box for an email address. There goes my second email address. I'm going to add myself as a user. You've got a choice between user and administrator. There we go, just choose the relevant button. I have myself as a user. You have the option to notify the new user by email if you so choose, and you add the user, and there in the list of users is myself again under that new email. Now, as an administrator, I can change the user if I want to an administrator, or I can take them back to a user again. And if I want to remove myself as a user, I simply click on remove user, and I'm back again to my only administrator role in my own profile. So that's how you do it. It's really it's actually a very useful thing to be able to do, because sometimes you want to be able to give someone the ability to either go into look at your data, or sometimes you may actually want them to go in and be able to do something, in which case you can change their permissions from user to administrator. I hope this has been useful, and if I can be of any help to you, just look at my details at the end of this video.